The DTI Consumer Complaints Assistance and Resolution System, also known as the DTI Consumer Care System, is part of the Philippine Online Dispute Resolution System and is an online platform that enables consumers to register a complaint, request resolution for purchased products or services, and monitor its progress. Filing a complaint is now made easy through the self-service portal of the DTI Consumer Care System in 5 key steps. Step 1. Log into the DTI Consumer Care System. Consumers are now empowered to register their complaints where they will be asked to sign in using their registered email address and their identified password. Once logged in, the user clicks the File a Complaint button from the menu. The system automatically populates the complainant's information based on registration details. The user clicks Next. Step 2. Input complaint details. It is here where the consumer encodes the complaint details. The first step is to select the transaction type. Next is to select the category of the complaint. In this example, we will choose Consumer Product Safety and Quality. Depending on the category selected, the subcategory may or may not be enabled. To continue the example, the consumer will choose Other Consumer Goods, since this is under the DTI jurisdiction. The system will assess if the complaint is within DTI jurisdiction or not based on the selected category. If it does not fall under the scope of DTI, it shall be forwarded via email as a referral to the corresponding agency. To continue, select the place where the transaction occurred, then indicate whether or not the transaction being complained about was done online or offline. Next, choose the preferred venue of the DTI office which will handle the complaint. The second and third venues are optional if there are other preferred locations to manage the complaint. After that, the user picks the date of the transaction and the desired outcome. The user then encodes the narrative of the complaint and attaches any proof of transaction, such as an official receipt. Please take note of the acceptable file types for the attachment. Once done, click Next. Step 3. Input respondent details. The complainant will have to provide the respondent details by encoding the name of the company or selecting from the list if the name of the company is already existing in the system. If the company is existing in the system, the contact information will be automatically populated. Otherwise, the user will have to encode any of the following contact information: contact number, address, or email. Next, input the name of the company's authorized representative. Or again, if the company already exists in the system, the complainant may simply select from the list provided. Upon completion of the respondent's details, the complainant may click Next. Step 4. Review data. The system will then display a summary of all the information encoded by the complainant. The complainant shall review the correctness and completeness of the encoded information and accept the oath of undertaking. In the oath of undertaking, the complainant declares complete understanding of the purpose of submitting the complaint and attests to the truthfulness of all the submitted data, which shall be processed in compliance with the Data Privacy Act of 2012. Step 5. Submit complaint. Once the information has been verified, the complainant may click Submit. The system will then issue a complaint ticket number, which the complainant may use to monitor updates on their complaint ticket. They will also receive an email notification upon the successful creation of a complaint ticket. The complainant will also receive email notifications on every important update on their complaint. To monitor the status of their complaint tickets, just go to the inbox and the system will display the status of the complaint ticket and other basic information on this complaint. Do you have a consumer complaint? Visit the DTI Consumer Care System website and file it away.